Hi, this is Ajit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For this week analysis, we are now going to see Nasdaq 100 E mini futures in the one of the futures in US. This is the Nasdaq analysis multi-time frame VWAP structure. Right now, the price is hovering around 13,000 levels. And further going to analysis, we will find some of the previous analysis I posted on TradingView. Okay, let me show the some previous analysis regarding this Nasdaq. We'll go to my ideas. I think previous three times I posted in the TradingView. Yeah, yeah. This analysis I posted on March 17, 2022. So in the March 17, 22 itself, I forecast the pullback around 15,150 or 200 levels, then the downfall may be start. Okay, let's see that what happened in the March 17th analysis. This is at the yearly view of -3 standard deviation line, and this yellow color will represent the COVID low anchored beaver. So based on the price structure and the VWAP multi-time frame VWAP structure, uh, I expect the target of this is the territory which is untested zone. Previous year VWAP untested zone, most probability price tested year until it does not make a new high within 6 months. Okay, this view will was posted on March 17th. And one of the next consequent post we will see what happened further till April 29 from March 17. And this is the one of the follow through analysis I posted on April 12. The price same exactly pull back around 15,200 level. You see this 15,200 level which was we saw on March 17 itself we forecast. March 17 itself I forecasted in that manual drawing. It is that maybe 15,200 level is maybe come because that 15,200 is one of the previous month VWAP and it is a virgin monthly VWAP also. So price exactly follow that level pullback level. The pullback was around at 29 March. Then again the downfall will continue. This will happen on March 29 and I posted the chart on April 12. And again, one follow through analysis of Nasdaq is I posted on April 23 in the follow up of Nasdaq prediction follow up from March 17. Based on the price structure, on the day low was 13,353 and the same exact expected target around 10,150 level, 170 levels. Okay, now let us go analysis present structure of Nasdaq. Yeah. Before going to further, I just explain that outline of the what is a VWAP formation. This blue color line, this blue color line will represent. I take the reference from March 20 low go with anchored VWAP. Still March 20 anchored VWAP still given the good support for Nasdaq and the yearly -3 standard deviation still not tested. But The price, the VWAP formation is present yearly VWAP. This is the present yearly VWAP. This red color line. This is the present yearly VWAP. Already crossed the with heavy volumes on previous year VWAP. There is a one of the bad sign for good sign for bears and bad sign for bulls. And quarterly present quarterly VWAP crossed the present yearly VWAP, and the same present quarterly VWAP crossed below the last 3 quarter VWAP. That is the one of the bad sign for very bad sign for bulls and very good sign for bears. And the same monthly VWAP also crossed down the previous all 3 month VWAP. This all together given the weightage of bears only. These two times, this March 15th and April 26th. April 26th already new low done, new last low done on 12,891 levels. This is happened on 26th of April. Now let's see the price will break this anchored VWAP support or not. And this is that red color reference line, dotted reference line will be was represented by COVID-19 yearly VWAP reference. This is that yearly VWAP. This is that anchored VWAP of COVID low. So I expect the all the major references are already broken. I expect the target of very near major VWAP means this is the previous COVID-19 VWAP only. So I expect the target 10,147 levels in 3 months. If fundamentally nothing change. The view will be invalid when price cross the monthly VWAP and quarterly VWAP cross the yearly VWAP. So whenever crosses this both the VWAP above the yearly VWAP, the view is invalid. uh, and the price the based on present multi time frame VWAP analysis, the very good for bears only, not for bulls. Let us see. Current market price of Nasdaq is 13,000 levels. Okay. Last but not least, anything can happen in the market as per Mark Douglas quote. So, risk management and position sizes matters. Take care and good luck. Thank you.